Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Prajapati. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sir Chotu Ram Institute of Engineering and Technology, Meerut in 2019. And I have done my 10th and 12th from Akbarpur Inter College in 2012 and 2014 respectively. And after completion of my graduation, I was looking for a job, but unfortunately I did not get a good job, and I wanted to make my career in IT field. So I was looking for a platform. And then I came to know about Evision Technoserve Private Limited through one of my friend. He suggested me to join Evision, and I joined Evision immediately for a job internship. In eVision, I have learned many IT technologies like Windows administration, Linux administration, cyber security, CCNA, which are really very important to get a job in IT field. And in eVision, I got a hands-on working experience, which helped me to crack interviews and get selected in IT companies. And after completion of my job internship, I got selected in three different companies. And currently I am working with Coforge Limited, and I am getting a salary of 20,000 per month. And I am really very happy with that. And I would like to thank eVision and all the team members of eVision. They helped and support me very much. And because of their support and guidance, I was able to crack the interviews and got selected in three companies. And those candidates who wanted to start their career in IT field and want to get a job in core IT field, I recommend them to join eVision. And that will really help them. And in the last, again, I would like to thank to eVision. Thank you so much.